This is the Earth Science Classroom. Since the scientific revolution occurred, the acknowledgement and understanding of our solar system keeps growing every day. Now, the telescope was invented in 1608, not by Galileo, but by a gentleman in the Netherlands. Now, Galileo was famous for observing certain parts of the solar system, like the Galilean moons of Jupiter in 1610, but he didn't invent the telescope. However, our solar system, with the use of the telescope, was able to document and see different planets, different characteristics and components of our system to understand it in greater detail. So we have these two sets of planets, Terrestrial and Jovian. Terrestrial, there are 4 planets that are closest to the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and they are rocky bodies. They are smaller, they have less moons, they are faster orbital periods around the Sun, generally hotter, and various ranges of atmospheres. Earth has a moon, and Mars has 2 moons. Then you get the Jovian planets. This is past the asteroid belt, which is the leftover rocks from the formation of the solar system. The Jovian planets are gas giants, and the 2 biggest ones in the first part are Jupiter and Saturn, and then the last 2 are ice giants, which are Neptune and Uranus. Now, these planets are very large. They have mostly a gas outer exterior, which do have a rocky core, but most of it is gas, and the gas is hydrogen and helium, certain levels of ammonium and methane, and they are lighter. They are huge planets compared to the terrestrial planets. They have way more natural satellites, and they're colder, and they have longer orbital periods around the Sun. So there's distinct differences between these 2 types of planets, but each planet has their own characteristics. For example, Mercury is the closest, but not the hottest. Venus is the hottest with the biggest atmosphere. Earth is the perfect place for organic life, thankfully. Mars used to have life, maybe, and water and an atmosphere, but now doesn't, and it's a red planet based on the iron oxide in the soil. Jupiter is the largest gas giant, and it has 95 moons and a ring system, and the 4 biggest are the Galilean moons that were saw by Galileo in 1610. Then you have Saturn with a ring system, the beautiful ring system, 7 divisions, and it has 124 moons. The biggest one is Titan. Then you have Uranus and Neptune, both ice giants, both blue in color due to the methane in the atmosphere, so they are also named after Greek gods, but Uranus smells like farts. Hilarious. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you like more on this content, please check out my channel, which has all these videos on Earth science.